Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's Separator block in WordPress. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. To get started, let's open up a brand new blank page for us to look at this block on its own. There's a couple ways to do that, and if you're logged in anywhere on your website, you'll have this top toolbar. Simply hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you're on your dashboard, head over to your left-hand sidebar, hover down to Pages and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor and create for us a brand new blank page. Once we're here, just a few housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that, and this is where all of the parameters to toggle and configure for our block will appear. Next, let's give our page a title. Just to keep things organized. And last but not least, let's add the block itself. There's a blue button over here, top left corner. Click on that. It's called the block inserter. We can either search for our block or scroll down. Since Stackable is on top of list, you don't have to go down too far. And it is right here, Separator. Okay, just drag and drop that into your workspace. And we can close this to give ourselves some room to work with. So here is our separator. As you can see, there is a shape. Now let's go left to right with this. We have our spacing and our margins and padding, and we have our height. We can flip it horizontally or vertically. We can change the shape of the separator, right? I'll go with this one. And we can change the color of our separator, right? And the width and how much shadow there is. We can invert the design. We can flip it horizontally. We can flip it vertically. We can bring it to the front. We can also enable a background on this, but it really depends on your use case. I'll disable it for this video. You can also add some borders to this, but again, I'll disable it for this video. And then we have our other settings, such as general settings, hard position settings, custom attributes, responsive settings to hide this on desktop, tablet, and or mobile, and HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. Now you can have this, as you can see, we can flip it horizontally and or vertically. So you can have this on the top or on the bottom of your content. So let's go ahead and add an image just so you can see where this would be useful for. So image, click on that. Okay, and let's go with something simple like this this road bike over here. Okay, we can bring this down with our hard position settings. Down over here, and then we can change our margins to be like that, right? And then our Z index would come up over it, and then we can adjust this now. So we can probably adjust this a bit more to match. Okay, perfect. And then now for our style, let's change the height a bit, or okay. And then let's change the width a little. Or, yeah. Just to give our okay, I'm happy with that. Let's work with this. Okay, so this is our separator just to break up the squareness of our image. Let's go ahead and click on Publish to save our work here. And let's take a look at it on our live site. With that done saving, let's click on View Page. And here is our separator block in WordPress Stackable, covering up our stock image over here. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.